hope I don't make a mistake here. I'm using the cinematic. Not sure what the hell it does. Let's try it out on this video. Anyway, guys, Joe Jaguar here, again to show you another video. Today, let's talk about diagonals. So, okay, I don't have this diagonal here, but if you guys do, and you want to upgrade, not a problem. So if you have the 0.965 diagonal that uses these eyepieces, if you guys are using a diagonal that uses those eyepieces, better change it, because that's the most junkiest eyepieces they make. You can go to a 0.96 inch, that's on this part that goes in the telescope, to 1.25 inches. Now you can use regular eyepieces, and then, but usually, hopefully you don't even have those eyepieces and that diagonal. Let me change the camera back to its regular setting, just in case the cinematic is not a good setting and I won't know. So that way it's only on for like a minute or two. Okay, so first in a diagonal, you'll see this one here is a 90-degree diagonal. And then this one is a 45-degree. Now, mind you guys, diagonals are only used on refractors, okay? So let me put them side here. Hopefully you guys can see. So a 45-degree diagonal, okay, is mostly used if you guys want to do daytime imaging. It corrects the flip side from left to right like you're looking at a mirror. So it's nice to have. If you have a refractor and you don't like, if you're watching daytime and you don't like that reverse image like you're looking at a mirror, then get your guys one of these. It's called a 45-degree, so it's on a 45-degree angle. That's why they call it that. Now this one, which is a 90-degree angle, so as you can see, they're slightly different. Hopefully I could, so this one, like if you're looking this way like it normally does, it's better for nighttime. So if you're looking straight up, you're looking like 90-degree, and that's why they call it a 90-degree angle. And then this one, even though the barrels are like that, you see that one's going a 45-degree angle. You can still do it, but let's say if the telescope is like this one, the barrel is upwards, look at where you're looking, down this way now, where this one is that way. So it's definitely, if you're using this one for night, you're gonna be straining your neck. So again, 90-degree for regular nighttime viewing is a much better angle. But if you like daytime stuff, you should just grab one of these. If you're using this guy for nighttime and you're straight up, well, your neck's gonna hurt, I'm telling you. Next is a 2-inch degree. This one is an Antares. And by the way, all diagonals come in like a standard reflectivity, and then they have enhanced reflectivity, and then the best ones these days are either quartz or the 99-degree dielectric. So that means it's bouncing 99% of incoming light, but also because it's dielectric, means the coatings that they use on there is much harder or firmer than a regular coating, and it won't wear off, it won't break, that type of, well, not the mirror won't break, but the coatings is just going to be much stronger and last longer. So again, if you guys are using a refractor, I like to use 2-inch diagonals on almost everything. If you have a 2-inch focuser, I think you should be using a 2-inch diagonal, and that way you can use 1.25 inches. I'm missing a thumb screw here. Damn, so probably fell. You can use 1.25 inch diagonal by taking out the 1.25 inch adapter and using 2-inch eyepieces. Wow, I really got that on really tight there. Why? Like that. So you can use a full 2-inch eyepiece, or you can put this part on and use 1.25 inches. So it's just simpler that way. Now there's another type. Again, reflectivity you can buy in regular diagonals, enhanced, and then dielectric. But anyway, this kind here, you see how it's much shorter than. So this kind is for like an SCT or Maksutov or a compound telescope. So it threads right onto the back where this one fits in, and then you clamp it either with the 2 thumb screws, or sometimes they have a locking mechanism. So I personally like to use this one on the SCTs because it locks it. Now, what some people don't understand is to get on the angles, what you do is loosen it, twist it, and then you can tighten it again like that. So you can use this same as that on angles, and that's all you have to do. Now, there's another type of thing here. This is called a visual back. So they make them 1 1/4 inch. So this is a Celestron 1 1/4 inch visual back, where then you can put the 45 degree, or you can put the 90 degree type of thing like that. And it fits on an SCT, Maksutov, and that type of thing. Now, they do make one for a 2 inch, so which means if you have a refractor type of diagonal, you can also use it on an SCT, but you need a bigger version of this called a 2 inch visual back. And then that will go onto here, and then it screws onto the SCT Maksutov type of thing. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And really that's it. So it's really 1 1/4 inch mainly, in 45, 90, the 2 inch. You have the refractor type, the SCT type, and that's really it. And again, depends on sometimes the quality, how much you pay for, how good that the mirror is, the reflectivity, but buy what you could afford. Just wanted to show you guys the different models. Very simple video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And I'll see you on the next video. Joe Jaguar, like, comment, and subscribe. For you guys on the forums, share my videos if anybody's asking for a specific video that I have. And if you know anybody that's maybe getting into the hobby, share my link with them and say, check out this guy. I will see you on the next video. Why not you? Why not me? Cheers.